Welcome to BTV's Rick Riley's World. Hey Rick, where in the heck are we today?
Hey, today we are Super Scout Specialists up here in Enid, Ohio. And we've got the privilege of having a couple of our vehicles up here in these museum. I guess we'll start with this one here. This is a 1974 200 series camper special. We've had this truck probably about, I don't know, 15 years now. We picked it up at one of the nationals up in Springfield from a guy by the name of Larry Buckland. He'd restored it and he brought it up here for sale. So we worked out a deal with him and we've had it ever since. It's got 392 in it, automatic, it's two-wheel drive. Larry done a super nice job on the restoration. We've probably put, I don't know, 2,000 or 3,000 miles on since we've had it, and just a nice driving and riding truck. I guess the wheelbase makes it ride so nice.
What in the world's that? You didn't win that.
Well, by default.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. No. I guess it's been up here for a little bit over a year now. And John's been displaying it.
What we got under the hood?
It's a 392 4-barrel. It's got plenty of power and plenty of pep.
How fast you had him going?
I've had it up 75 or 80 every once in a while. But it just cruises right along at that speed. And I would say it would probably tow anything you want to put behind it at that.
That's something to be proud of, Rick.
Yeah, we really like it. It's one of our favorite vehicles we got. Just because of the ride and the condition it's in.
She's a sharp one. Guess we'll see you next time.
Okay, see y'all later.